Welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to simplify this expression correctly. We have it 2 minus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then we have this. You have 2 minus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then here, some person will simplify this expression like this. You have 2 minus 4, that gives minus 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then again, we have minus 2 multiplied by 6, that will give minus 12 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then at this point, apply KCF here. Then we're going to have minus 12 multiplied by 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 8. Then if you simplify this out, you are going to have minus 12 divided by 5 times 8, that gives 40. Then here, you're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. And if you do, you're going to have here minus 2 divided by 4, that will give minus 3 divided by 40 divided by 4, that will give 10. And we have a minus 3 divided by 10. But this very answer is wrong. As such, this is a wrong approach of simplifying this expression here. Now, still in the same expression, some person will have this 2 minus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 divided by 8. Well, right here, we have this 2 minus 4 multiplied by 6, but to give minus 24 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then right here, we have 2 minus 24, that will give minus 22 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then here, still apply KCF here. We have here minus 22 multiplied by 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 8. Then at this point, if we multiply this out, we have minus 22 divided by 5 times 8, that is 40. But right here, we are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And if you do that, you're going to have minus 22 divided by 2, that gives minus 11 divided by 40 divided by 2, that will give 20. We have 20 here. But this answer is wrong. And as such, this is still a wrong approach of solving this. Now, let's have this. To solve this correctly, we are going to have this. We have 2 minus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 divided by 8. Then at this point, we are going to apply PEMDAS here. We have this. If you don't use PEMDAS, use BODMAS. Both the same here. Now at this point, we don't have parentheses. We don't have exponents here. Then we have multiplication, we have division, no addition here, we have subtraction. Now, we are going to consider here these two, multiplication and division, have the same precedence. Then at this point, the operation here moves from left to right. When I start at this point, I'm going to consider multiplication first. Then we have here 2 minus 4 times 6. That to give us 24 divided by 5 divided by 8. When right here, we move that to division. We are going to apply KCF here, and we are going to have this. You have 2 minus 24 multiplied by 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 8. Then at this value point, we have this. We're going to have here 2 minus here. If you multiply this out, you are going to have 24 divided by 5 times 8, that gives 40. Then as such, if we simplify this out, we are going to have here 40 times 2, that gives us 80 minus 24 divided by 40. Then here, 80 minus 24, that will give us 56 divided by 40. When we have it, then here, we are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 8. Yes, they can go through. Now we are going to have this 56 divided by 8, that will give 7. Then 40 divided by 8, that will give us 5. And we have 7 or 5 here. Now this is the answer, but you can also take this to mixed fraction, or you are going to have 7 divided by 5, that will give us 1 and 2 over 5. You can still take this to decimal. All you have here 1.4, and this is the correct answer to this expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so that you can benefit from more math solutions. See you in the next video.